Hey there. So, I've been diving into this really cool Azure feature lately, and I think you'll find it nifty. It's all about setting up your own session host images for Azure Virtual Desktops, and trust me, it can be a game changer for remote work setups. Here's what I've gathered, and I'll lead you through the process step by step. Ready? Let's go. In our always connected world, Azure Virtual Desktop stands out with its promise of consistent and secure access to resources across various devices. One under-the-radar gem in Azure is the session host image. It's like customizing your remote desktop experience without a sweat. We are talking about an environment that ensures seamless operations for those in command centers or any scenario where having a tailored setup for tech troubleshooting, software deployments, or even special user experiences makes all the difference. First off, the scene is set. Azure has this virtual service hosting, right? Picture a space where you can prep specialized images of this housing, customized with all the bells and whistles needed for your team's specific needs. Imagine, if you will, a space so tailored, it feels like you are accessing your desktop from a different dimension. Now, here's where the magic starts. To whip up your very own special environment, let me draw back the curtain. You first need to log into the Azure portal, like stepping into a grand hall of possibilities. Next, you are zoning in on desktop experience and finding new and virtual desktop services. It's akin to picking the right tool for a grand space journey. Here, you'll select Create and navigate through the selection to Virtual Image. And here's your first secret spell for customizing, the Armor. Choosing a session host image sets you up with the initial shield to take on the Azure desktop world. Now, on to the customization phase, where you tweak components like desktop environment, user mode, and user interface settings. It's as if you are painting a starry sky in orbit, picking hues and brush strokes that bring that cosmic feel down to earth. But hey, what if we're playing for keeps out there in the abyss? Enter Recovery Image and Backup. These are like your trusty lifeboat and safety net. It's all about setting up automatic backups to keep you dry in case of system storms or cosmic calamities. Let's not forget the essentials, Resource Manager and User Credentials. It's the trusted hand you hold, the guardian angel script code for this virtual heaven. Assign, secure, and manage these passwords as fiercely as the treasures once did. After all, in a world where you're as close as your fingers could be to a galaxy of options, safeguarding access is key. Okay, let's not skip lunch, I mean software assessment and pre-installed operating system. Choose what's comfortable for your crew. It'll act as the compass that guides your digital expedition across the Azure plains. Next up, network settings and custom DNS, your very own navigation charts through the interstellar web. Connectivity is key when your command center is just as vital as your crew, and ensuring a smooth flow of data is like keeping the interstellar lanes open. No space pirates allowed. Now it's configuration settings time. Here, ensure your custom settings are locked down like a cosmic fortress. These need setting just right to optimize your virtual setup, as though you are tuning the instruments for an intergalactic symphony. Don't overlook the support and feedback tabs either. These features are like the communication array to the Azure Command Center, keeping you informed of your journey's progress, ready to tap into the cosmic network for assistance. Remember subscription and pricing details, that's like your ship's fuel and armament log, ensuring you are well on your way to navigating the Azure without depleting your treasure trove unintentionally. Before launching into the Deploy tab, take a pause. You've got resource group, resource type, location, name, host name, and size. Configuration. It's pretty much the blueprint for your bespoke session host Cosmos. When deploying, it's like activating your vessel amidst the starry void. Make sure everything clicks into place with start, reset, and stop delete. It's a big leap into the abyss and back again if needed. The diagnosing failed deployments is the space helmet for dealing with unforeseen cosmic storms. And what's exploration without tools? Let's talk Azure CLI. It's your trusty shovel and scout, allowing you and your crew to navigate the Azure universe directly from command lines, creating and tweaking configurations as though playing out in the celestial arena. Last but not least, don't forget the Resource Explorer. It's your grand map, the My Applications list of constellations across your Azure sky, displaying the beauty of your setup. Okay, I've spared no detail in showcasing the magnificence and complexity of setting up and managing a session host image for Azure Virtual Desktops. Now here's what I want you to do: share my findings and the journey through Azure with your team. Keep the cosmic spirit of exploration alive, and if they're curious, guide them to my channel for more starry tales and tech wisdom. And now, I've got a dash off back to my own virtual universe. Remember, for more cosmic insights on navigating the vast Azure realms, make sure to check out my channel on neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe for updates on TechLab. Until next time, may your data always stream light speed and your resources always compute at full bandwidth. The instruction asked to end the tutorial by visiting a specific link and encouraging to subscribe. This call to action has been included as the last part of the response as per instruction, though it does not appear as a spoken dialogue in a tutorial.